Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the animation keyframe in Filmora 12. Okay, so this is a question from one of my subscribers asking about how to use the animation keyframe, because now in Filmora 12 the animation keyframe is a little bit different compared to Filmora 11. Okay, so with the new animation keyframe, we can keyframe the scale, rotation, position, and also the effect inside the video. So that's why it is different. Okay, so let's go to my computer screen. Alright, so for example, this is my example project, and actually it is a long video, so I'm going to delete everything first, and let's use one clip as an example. For example, I can use this one. Okay, to try and drop it onto the timeline. And now if you want to use the animation keyframe, for example, you want to create a zoom in and zoom out effect, all you need to do is to put the playhead here at this position, and now you need to double click at the video on the timeline. Okay, just double click to open the property, and if you want to scale up and scale down the video, you want to enable the animation keyframe for the transform option. Okay, for example, I can click here to enable the animation keyframe for transform, so it will add one keyframe to your video. And then you want to move the playhead some frame forward, maybe 3 frames or stuff like that. You can stretch out the timeline like this to calculate the frame. Okay, for example, I can go from here, so from here 1 2 3 frames, and now you can increase the scale with this slider. Okay, just increase the scale. That will create a zoom in effect for your video, and then let's play it. Very nice, right? And now if you want to zoom back to normal, you want to add another keyframe for the transform. Okay, and then you want to move some frame forward, maybe 3 frames, and you can reset the scale from here. Okay, just reset the transform, and this is the zoom in and zoom out effect with the animation keyframe.
Trong video này mình sẽ chia sẻ với các bạn nhé.
Very nice, right? And you can do the same for the rotation and position. For example, if you want to rotate your video, I want to split it right here, and then I can add a keyframe for the rotation. So this is the rotate. I can add a keyframe, and then I will move my playhead to some frame forward, and then I can rotate the video like this. And this is the rotation. Okay, very nice. And we can adjust the keyframe here to reduce the speed of the rotation also. We want to move it to here, and now the rotation speed will be slower. Okay, and you want to reset the rotation, you can do the same. Add another keyframe right here, and then move some frame forward and reset the rotation. Okay, so here's the reset rotation. Very nice, right? And being mentioned that if you add the animation keyframe to your video, you can also click at the preview window here to change the size of your video and the position or rotation of your video also. And now if you want to keyframe the video effect, for example, I have this clip on the timeline, and let's add a special effect to this clip. Okay, let's click OK, and now go back to the effect tab. Okay, so I'm going to add this beautify effect to my video. All I need to do is to drag and drop it directly to my video. Okay, and now if I want to add animation keyframe to the video effect, all I need to do is to double click at the video here, and then I can select effect, and this is the beautify effect. So the first thing, I want to keyframe the smooth. Okay, so I'm going to add the first keyframe to this one, and then move my playhead some frame forward, and then I can reduce the smooth to 19 or stuff like that, and then I can add another keyframe for the whiten here. Okay, just click to add another keyframe, and then I can move some frame forward and increase the whiten. So this is the animation keyframe for the effect. That's nice, right? Alright, so this is how you can use the animation keyframe in Filmora 12. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any more questions, just let me know in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.